If you're facing a problem where your WhatsApp group is not receiving messages, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is ask other members if they are facing the same issue. And if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check if the group has message restrictions, or also ensure that your phone date and time are to automatic and try logging out and in. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing you want to do is check if the group is muted. So you may have muted the group's notification. If that is the case, turn it off. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check custom notifications. If you have the premium and it is set to none, simply go ahead and set it to something so that you get notified every time they send a message. Also, ensure that you are still in the group. You may have been removed by an admin. If you are not on the group, then that is exactly why you're not receiving it. Also, check if someone has blocked you or you blocked someone, which is not going to go ahead and show any messages. Finally, you want to simply go ahead and check if your internet connection is completely fine or if there is any updates for the application. If not, just clear your cache and restart your phone, which